Start.
Hello children, you choose fine arts in a class 11 or 12th. Fine arts, it's a big subject. If you want to go in other stream in fine arts after the class 12, that we will discuss it. But in fine arts, you have to see online syllabus, what is the paper style. There will be a 6 question. Each question it's 5 marks, 30 marks theory and 70 marks practical. So in theory you have to study basic of fine arts. I will explain it, introduction of fine arts, everything we will discuss it. But what you supposed to do in class 11 and class 12, today we will discuss about that. See, in class 11 you have to study it, man-made object. What is the man-made object? Whatever it's made by human being, that is man-made. And you have to study nature. Nature, it means fruit, vegetable, plant, tree, and mountain. That everything it's a nature. So that we will study it individual man-made subject and nature. So that man-made subject and nature, when it will become combined, that will become still life. So that is also one of your subject, still life, when you are going to appear exam. So that also you have to do it. Another is picture composition. So picture composition, in that you have to study human anatomy. For example, face, in a face, eyes, nose, lip, ear, then in body, hand, leg, everything you have to study. You have to maintain sketchbook also. Class 11 and class 12, at least you have to complete 5 sketchbook. In class 11th you have to complete 3, and in class 12 you have to complete 2. Why in class 12? Because of in class 12 you will get less time and we will give study time. So 5 sketchbook. In sketchbook it will come study work, and then you have to complete assignment. Assignment in a entire this 2 year, class 11 and 12, you have to complete 26 assignment. So 13 assignment still life assignment, 13 assignment it's a picture composition assignment. So that will we will do portfolio. You have to maintain the portfolio throughout the both the year. End of the both this year, that portfolio myself will sign, principal sir will sign, and when you have board practical exam, at that time external examiner also will sign it, and that you have to keep it in Rajkumar College custody. So this what why I am explaining everything. You have to from day one, each and every assignment and sketchbook you have to preserve for the 2 year, not only for complete one sketchbook and keep it anywhere. No, you have to all the sketchbook and of the practical you have to show it. You have to show your complete assignment. That will be a A3 size, half imperial size of assignment you have to keep in portfolio. So you have to, when lockdown and everything will over and it will go smoothly, then you have to buy the color, that we will guide it which color you need it and which material it's required for 2 year. Everything we will guide you. So this is the fine arts. You have to, whatever you studied class up to class 10, that is different, and now whatever you are going to study, that is different. See, what is the benefit after the fine arts, that also I will discuss today. When fine arts class 12 is over, those who are want to go in this field, there is architect, interior design, NID, National Institute of Design, fine arts, fashion design, and many other area is there. You have to choose which field you want to go, and all that exam, entrance exam, it's coming after the when your board exam is over. But only NID's entrance exam, you have to fill up the form in when you are in class 12. In September you have to fill up the form, and in January they are taking the entrance exam before your board exam. So those who want to go in that NID, you have to take care and fill up the everything and submit it. So this is the fine arts. Fine arts, there is the practical marks ratio is more. So we are going to concentrate more in practical. No doubt we will take the theory also in interval and in a timetable, whatever it is given us from college. So in a between we will take the theory, but most of the portion R is practical. So you have to refer the book. See, whatever you did in class up to 10, you, many of them, they are copying from reference. They are taking reference other and they are tracing it and color it. That now you have to do your own. No doubt you have to take the reference, but you can't copy. You have to do your own composition. In still life also, in still life, as I told, man-made object and nature. So whatever man-made objects, small things and objects, it's surrounding you in your available in your home, it is available. Whatever things, you have to put it front of you. You have to first draw it and see it, how light is coming on that object, where, in which area light is coming, in which area it is shade. That you have to study it with the pencil. There will be a different type of pencil, grade pencil, HB, 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B, 8B, now 10B also is coming. So all the pencil, how its effect, what is the result after the giving rendering, that you have to do your own practice. while doing the practice, you will understand what result it's coming from SB pencil, what result it's coming 2B pencil, what result it's coming 6B pencil. So where you need which shade, light to dark, you have to observe the object and light. So you will understand how to give light and dark. First you have to study light and dark, black and white. Gradually you start coloring. Once you did it black and white, so you understand how light and dark, which color will come, light where it will come. You can do in beginning monochromatic, single color. Then you gradually you can do multichromatic. કેટલી minute? See, what is the multichromatic and monochromatic? When we are taking one color and in one color we are adding white, it's called tint. We will study it color theory also, but it's called tint. When we are adding in one color, white color, it's a tint. And when we are adding black color, it's called shade. So when we are using one color to add white and black, and we are completing assignment, it's called monochromatic color scheme. And multichromatic, we will use all the color. No doubt there are many color scheme, opposite color scheme, complementary color scheme. We will study it gradually, all the color in color theory. I will teach you everything, but I am briefing the things so you can know it, what will come. See, in material also, up to 10 you use only drawing book and color whatever we suggest, but in a fine arts you have to use different type of paper, cartage paper, handmade paper. Same thing it is color also, watercolor, poster color, acrylic color, crayon color, dry pastel color, ink. So everything we will use it and we will give you freedom. After practicing in class 11th, in class 12th, we will give you freedom, whatever it is familiar to you, whatever you are like the color, that we will allow you. But in begin, we will teach you all the medium which will come in board exam. And some of the assignment you have to do in watercolor. So we will tell you this assignment you have to do in watercolor only, acrylic color, and we will see it which is time consuming assignment that we will not tell you to do in exam, because of some of the color it will take the time and you have to complete one practical in 3 hours. You will in board exam there will be a 2 practical. Each practical it's a 3 hour, still life 3 hour, and picture composition 3 hour, and it will be on same day, or sometime it is more than 25 students. Then they are giving 2 slot. One slot will complete in one day, other slot will complete in another day, but you will get 3 hours in one practical exam. So that you have to keep it in mind. You have to give both the practical exam when it will come unit test, and 30 marks theory will come. So that also will come in unit test. So keep it in mind, each unit test you have to give one theory exam and one practical exam, but in one practical exam you will get 6 hours in between one break. So each practical exam you will get 3 hours. So this is the basic knowledge you have to keep it in mind. In next period I will introduce fine arts, what will come. You have to be safe, stay at home and stay safe, don't go out, take care and follow the government instruction and follow your parents instruction. Thank you.